Columbus, Ohio HOG. I'm Rich Holliday, the director of the Columbus, Ohio HOG chapter. HOG is an acronym for Harley Owners Group, which was established in 1983. And down here at 80 Farrows, our chapter is very active in a lot of civic and community and charity events. One of these events that we're hoping to sponsor to the utmost this year is Flying Horse Farms. Flying Horse Farms is a camp for children who are terminally ill, as well as their families. As a former camp director in a Boy Scout camp, I know the importance of having these camps for not only the students and the children, but their families. So please support Flying Horse Farms and the Ride Around the Lake, June 26th through the 27th. And thank you.